Hey everybody, welcome back. A few days ago I got this kit that somebody decided just to mail it in the box, and it's heavily damaged, and if by chance it's damaged beyond repair, I'm going to ask for a refund. I got this off of eBay. There's no sense in this, and I just wanted to document this on video, and we'll get it opened up. So let's get it open. They do have it well taped, although they completely ruined the box. But I'm kind of concerned with this area because it had been smushed pretty well, and may have been smushed before they sent it. I don't know. Don't really have to take any time trying to open, because they have, like I say, destroyed the box by taping it everywhere. Okay, so, oh boy, oh yeah, I already see. So the body is right here too. Wouldn't you know it? Wouldn't you know it? Well, on a lighter note, let's take a look at this. New releases in 1986. This is crazy. You see that? That's the 48 Ford. That's not a new release. Although they waited until maybe to rebox it, that is not a new release. That thing's from the 60s. But anyway, funny. Cool. I'm telling you what, Testors did have some of the coolest. And I know this ain't got a darn thing to do with this, but let's get some good out of this video. Got these. I want this one. This is the one I want right here. I've been trying to get that one. Porsche 911, the 73 model. That is cool. I've got this one here. That's what just got this taken out of. But then they also have a 76 930 turbo that looks just like a 911 to me. And then I've seen this one, the Creamer Porsche 934. I've seen that one on eBay. I actually bid on it, missed it, didn't get it. Mustang Cobra 2. Cool Ferrari, Volvo 760. Just kind of odd stuff. I've got that Impulse. The Lamborghini Countach is the one that I just got from George, but in the Fujimi. I think it's Fujimi. Yeah, I got that's a Fujimi kit right here. I still want to get this one too because it's in a Testors box, which makes it cool too. Lamborghini. That Maserati right there is killer. Killer. Want that. There's the Pantera, which I do have, but I don't know if it doesn't look like it's exactly the same one, but I don't know. And then there's that. For some reason, they're saying that was released in new. No, it's not new. They actually had it back. Testors had that out in the 70s. All right, let's get a look at this kit. What's tore up? Oh yeah. Oh yes. Steamroller. Okay, let me go ahead and unbag it. Which is stapled here. Steamroller, got it. I'm definitely going to ask for a refund because, again, how stinking ridiculous that they would mail this thing with no protection. Look at this. Don't you love it? Just absolutely love it. Can you fix that? You may be able to, but it has split. It's split and oh man, that aggravates me to no end. Are all the other parts good? Yeah, probably so. The most important part? Yeah, it's ruined. Well, okay. It's pretty bad because you've got the main structure bent down. You're going to have some major warpage. It's probably completely warped. But hey, it's got a good set of wheels. I'm going to ask for a refund for this. There's no sense in someone being so careless as to ship a kit with absolutely no box. Yeah, it's in a box, but that box provides zero protection. I mean, and it's never been into. This kit has never been into. Look at this. The glass is pristine. Oh, no, it's not. Darn it. Right at the top. See it? Dang it. I mean, it's a parts car. That's what it would be. I guess I could build the engine and put it on a stand because, you know, it comes with a stand. If you've watched my videos, man, that really gets me. That really gets me. I'm gonna take some pictures and document this and send it to the to eBay, and I'm gonna ask for a refund because I'm not a guy. I'll let a lot go. But when it shows up like this, if it were packed in a box, like an actual box, and then smashed by the USPS steamroller, I understand it's not their fault, these people. But when they put it in, when they literally ship it, they ruined my box. They ruined my model kit. And no protection. Man. Oh well. Alright, well, at least we got one good thing out of it. Got a nice set of tires and wheels. And I didn't look at the airplanes. I know some of you guys actually like airplanes. Look at that F-19 Stealth. Ooh. C-130 is pretty neat. 33-inch wingspan. Wow. That's a 148 scale. Oh well. Make sure I don't leave out any other of these cool cars. That's my next one right there. That's the one I'm going to get. That's one I'm looking out for it. If any of you guys see one, shoot me a message on Messenger and let me know. But that's the one I want to get right there. 73. All right. Video's over. Thanks for this has a backside too, which is cool. The old Model Masters paint guide. Alright guys, video's over. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. You're great. I'm over 10,000 subscribers now. It's because of you, not because of me. If I didn't have you, I wouldn't be there. So I appreciate that. If you hadn't already subscribed, go right down there and hit that subscription button. I would appreciate it. Like this video if you did like it. Give it a thumbs up. Check out Hobby Nut Models. Go check out Hobby Nut Models where this body won't be getting MCW paint because it's smushed. But if it hadn't been smushed, it probably would get MCW paint. So go check out Mark's website, hobbynutmodels.com. It's linked in the description below. Go check it out. All the things you need to build a quality model kit are there, including kits. Go check him out. Also, Facebook group, if you haven't already joined, it's in the description below. Model Car Videos Facebook group. Thing's gotten pretty big. Closing on like 3,000 members or something like that. So go check out Model Car Videos Facebook group, as well as the Spring Store and my Patreon members. Thank you so much. If you're not a Patreon member, I'd appreciate you to go over there and check it out. And if you could, be a supporter there. We have an awesome time on our live streams. And I think we're going to have one even sooner than later. So you guys take care, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.